Oo, not too much. Bana, get my charger.
Just take you.
Kuya, i-move mo naman. Naka ano lang sa... that was painful. You should learn how to move it around. You cannot just put it in one part. Move it around the body.
Okay, the only thing that moves around is this.
Go, ang tagal naman. Dito kuya, ito masakit eh. Ito Yan. Baba. Can you get my charger and my power bank? In the, no, here. In the chair. My bag. Dito Kuya Clyde. Dito, ito. Naiintindihan mo ba? Yan. Move it a little like that. Like that. So that it's... No, but... Get the power bank, please. In my bag. Kuya, get the power bank. No, over here in my bag.
In your bag?
Yeah, in my bag.
Medicine, you need to sleep na. It's already 9.
Can I focus?